Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to add calculator to the note control center in this device. This is very simple. First of all, open the control center. Now tap on the plus button on the top left side. Tap on add control. So here you can see lots of controls. Now scroll down, go to the utilities section. Just wait. Yeah. So under the utilities section, you will get the option calculator. Now tap on this one. Now you can see the calculator is here. You can rearrange this icon also. And you can resize this icon. After this one, tap on any blank area of the control center. That's it. Now you can see the calculator is on the control center. You can see, right? So simply in this way you can add the calculator to the control center in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.